Welcome to the next level in your psychic development. Our Clairvoyant Meditation 102 class continues where 101 leaves off, demonstrating what you can do with your abilities and teaching you specialized applications in various aspects of your life. Over the course of this 6-week class, you will add an arsenal of new psychic tools to your repertoire. Healing techniques for clearing emotional pain, letting go of past experiences, and releasing the controlling influence of others. Clairvoyant procedures you can use to solve the biggest problems and find answers to specific questions. Time management tools to control your days and weeks while simultaneously being in the now and living in the present. Environmental skills that give you control over your physical surroundings, cleansing a building of unfavorable influence and remove ghostly occupants when needed. As your psychic awareness and sensitivity expands, you will be in control of your abilities and no longer be the effect of other people's pain, problems, and burdens. The Psychic School has been teaching clairvoyant methodology since the year 2000, specializing in long-distance training over the telephone, online, and by MP3. It is our global mission to provide psychic training to individuals all around the world. Sign up now while space is available and receive 2 months free access to our spiritual healing clinics and a special gift of 1 free Clairvoyant Meditation 103 MP3 for download. This is an incredible offer and will get you on the path of psychic healing and awakening. Best of all, with the completion of this course, you will meet the requirements needed to join the Clairvoyant Training Program, opening the door to an entire universe of psychic development and opportunity. The Psychic School looks forward to furthering the development of your psychic abilities.